also buds. They're not going to be peaches and apples and plums and pears. Someone told me that they looked at the pear tree that's on their property, and the tiny little pears had begun before this terrible cold weather struck in the latter part of January, beginning of February. And they said they opened up, they squeezed the little pear, and it's almost black inside, which means that it's got frozen, and there won't be a pear crop. Listen, you can't get ahead of Yahweh. Yahweh is more powerful than any being in this universe. You think, maybe not the brethren of the Assemblies of Yahweh, but the people of this world think that they can do anything and get away with it. They are dealing with the all-powerful Creator, and they will not be able to pull the wool over his eyes. This is what he says here, and he said, this fire will burn and will not be quenched. So there won't be any peaches this year in many places, no apples, no plums, no pears, and so this is a judgment upon our country, and it's been also poured out upon the beasts, the animals. Out in the Midwest, a lot of the animals have died from exposure, and the people don't seem to connect the two things together and say, hey, we're going to have to make some changes. We have to get back to following the Scriptures. And so they continue on doing wrong, fulfilling their own carnal lusts and carnal natures, and the judgments just continue to become worse. The ministers of churchianity aren't preaching repentance. Why?